This project shows how an old warehouse was upgraded into ASRS system. The total investment was around $500,000. The client is Amylode Manufacturing Factory with limited space and increasing storage demand. Instead of building a new warehouse, they upgraded their existing facility. We used hidden Z racking and a stacker crane to maximize vertical space. AGVs were added to handle sorting, transport, and storage tasks. The system is fully integrated with ERP and WCS to ensure smooth operations. This significantly reduced manual labor and improved efficiency. At the same time, inventory accuracy improved and warehouse space waste was minimized. This type of solution is ideal for small and medium factories with limited space and moderate budgets.